Hello students. Today let us understand how to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. There are two examples, two illustrations 24 and 25 that we are going to discuss now. So illustration 24, transfer of net profit to general reserve. In this illustration we are supposed to prepare profit and loss appropriation account, partners capital account and partners current account, that is fixed capital method is followed. X and Y are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 7:3. Their capital accounts as at 1st April 2019 stood at X 5 lakhs, Y 4 lakhs. Partners are allowed interest on capital at the rate of 5% per annum. So interest on capital will be given on this capital balance. So 5 lakh of 5% of 5 lakh, that is 25,000, and 5% of 4 lakh, 20,000 will be the interest on capital to X and Y. Drawings of the partner during the year ended 31st March 2020 were 72,000 and 50,000 respectively. This is the amount of drawing that I are given, and this is drawings. Drawings is written, it means it is drawings out of profits. Nothing has been mentioned as to its nature, therefore we shall assume that it is a drawing out of profits. So it will go to current account and not to capital account. Drawings of the partner during the year were 72,000 and 50,000 respectively. Profit for the year before allowing interest. So before allowing interest, that is before deducting interest on capital and salary to Y, 5,000 per month, that is 12 into 5,000, 60,000 annual salary to Y. So before deducting interest on capital and salary to Y, the profit was 8 lakhs. And now 10% of net profit is to be set aside as a general reserve. So we are also required to transfer to general reserve, and that is given as 10% of net profit. So underline this word net profit. You are required to prepare profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2020. So PL appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2020, and capital and current account of the partner. So 8 lakh will be transferred from profit and loss account to profit and loss appropriation account. Journal entry being profit and loss account debit to profit and loss appropriation account. 8 lakh is transferred to the credit of profit and loss appropriation account. Out of this, we have to give interest on capital to X and Y, and since fixed capital method is followed, therefore current account of the partners will be created by interest on capital. We have calculated interest on capital, 5% of 5 lakh, that is 25,000, and 5% of 4 lakh, that is 20,000. So journal entry of interest on capital, you know there are two journal entries. First journal entry is to record the interest on capital, entry being interest on capital account debit to partners current account. So partners current account will be created by 25,000 and 20,000, and now this interest on capital will be transferred to profit and loss appropriation account, entry being profit and loss appropriation account debit to interest on capital. So interest on capital has been debited to profit and loss appropriation account. Next, we are asked to provide salary to Y. So salary to Y was 5,000 per month, therefore 60,000 was the annual salary. So 60,000 for annual salary, we will pass two journal entries. First, salary to Y to Y's current account. Salary to Y to Y's current account. Y's current account will be created by 60,000, and this salary will be transferred to PL appropriation account, and the entry will be PL appropriation account debit to salary to Y 60,000. Now these two things we have done. Now the question says that there were drawings of the partners during the year ended 31st March 2020 were 72,000 and 50,000, and I told you that if nothing is mentioned, then this drawing will be treated as drawings out of profit. So this will go to debit side of partners current account two drawings account 72,000 and 50,000. I told you there are two entries. First was drawings to cash, and then this drawing was transferred to either capital account or current account. So partners current account in this case. If the fluctuating capital method were there, then partners capital account would be debited. So partners current account or partners current account, partners capital account or partners current account debit to drawings. Drawings will be transferred to partners current account. Now you are asked to transfer 10% of net profit to general reserve. So 10% of net profit means net profit. The question says, mind this very carefully. So note it down, net profit, 10% of net profit, and you know that net profit is 8 lakhs. So straightforward, 10% of 8 lakh, that is 80,000, is to be transferred to general reserve. So journal entry, you know it very well. For transferring general reserve, for transfer of general reserve, the entry is PL appropriation account debit to general reserve. So general reserve will be debited by 80,000, that is 10% of 8 lakhs. So 80,000. Now balance the profit and loss appropriation account. The distributable profit will come out to be 6 lakhs 15,000. This is divisible profit, and this will be divided in the ratio 7:3. So this will be divided and this will go to current account. Journal entry will be profit and loss appropriation account debit to partners current account. So 4,30,000 and 1,84,000 will be 500 will be 1,84,500 will be credited to X and Y's current account respectively. So profit and loss appropriation account is prepared. Balance the capital account. 5 lakh and 4 lakh is the opening balance. You are given in the beginning that 5 lakh and 4 lakh is the opening capital. So 5 lakh and 4 lakh will be partners capital account balance, and this will be fixed and remain unchanged at the end of year also, since no introduction of capital, neither any drawing out of capital. So because of that, this remains same. And now balance the current account, add the credit side and deduct the debit side. You will be arrived at the closing balance, that is 3,83,500 to balance CD and 2,14,500. So this is your homework, illustration 24. Now come to illustration 25. This is similar to last illustration, that is 24. Only difference is that 10% of divisible profit is to be set aside to general reserve. Here it is written that 10% of divisible profit. Data is of course changed. Apart from that, the only difference is that 10% of the divisible profit, not net profit, divisible profit, is to be set aside as general reserve. So let us attempt it. You are required to prepare only profit and loss appropriation account in this case. So there is no need to prepare the capital account, because question is not asking about that. The question is asking to prepare only profit and loss appropriation account. So X and Y are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 7:3. The capital accounts as at 1st April 2019 stood at X 5 lakhs and Y 4 lakhs. Partners are allowed interest on capital at the rate of 5% per annum. So 5% interest on capital on 5 lakhs and 4 lakhs will be 25,000 and 20,000. So this is interest on capital. Drawings of X and Y during the year ended 31st March 2020 were 72,000 and 50,000. This is the drawing given to you. Drawings given to you, and you know that this is a drawing out of profits. So this is drawing out of profit. This will be assumed as drawings out of profit, not drawing out of capital. Therefore there will be no effect on calculation of interest on capital. Profit for the year before allowing interest on capital and salary to Y 5,000 per month was 8 lakhs. So profit before allowing interest on capital and salary to Y, that is 5,000 per month, that is 5,000 to 12, 60,000 salary to Y before allowing interest on capital and before allowing salary. The net profit is 8 lakhs as per PL account. So this will be transferred from PL account to profit and loss appropriation account. 8 lakh will be transferred on the credit side of the PL appropriation account. Now provide interest on capital. To interest on capital, X 25,000, Y 20,000, 45,000. To Y salaries, Y's current account will be created by 60,000. And now calculation of general reserve. The question says that this is the only difference. 10% of divisible profit is to be set aside as a general reserve, not 10% of net profit 8 lakhs. In earlier illustration, it was 10% of net profit, therefore 8 lakh into 10% was done. But in this case, 10% of divisible profit. So what is the divisible profit? 8 lakhs minus interest on capital minus Y salary. So 8 lakh minus interest on capital 45,000 minus 60,000. This is the divisible profit and 10% will be calculated on that amount. So amount transferred to general reserve will be calculated as 10% of divisible profit, that is 10% of 6,95,000. And how this 6,95,000 is arrived? 8 lakhs minus 25,000 interest of X, interest on capital of X, and minus 20,000 interest on capital of Y, and minus 60,000 interest on salary to Y. So 6,95,000 is a divisible profit, and on this 10% will be calculated and 69,500 will be transferred to general reserve. So PL appropriation account debit to general reserve, this entry will be passed by 69,500. And after that the divisible profit comes out to be 6,25,500. How? 8 lakhs minus 45,000 minus 60,000 minus 69,500. So 6,25,500, and this will be distributed in the ratio of 7:3. 7:3 is the ratio. So 7:3 will be applied in order to transfer this to the current account of the partners. So this is all about the PL appropriation account. Illustration 24 and 25 is your homework. So do it very fast, because I am going to give you the unsolved problems, and there are many unsolved problems based on this concept. So you have got to get many homeworks in the near future. So be updated with your homework. Thank you.